Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by unpacking your Chromecast device and inspecting the included cable and adapter. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Connect power using the included USB cable and a 5V adapter for stable power. Avoid powering from a TV USB port if you see intermittent disconnects. Turn on the Samsung TV and change the input to the HDMI port that holds the Chromecast device. Install and open the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone before starting. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use for the Chromecast. Tap the Add button in Google Home, then select Setup Device and follow prompts to find your new Chromecast. Confirm the code shown on the TV matches the app. Name the device, choose a room, and allow Chromecast to download updates and permissions needed for casting. To cast from your phone, open a supported app and tap the cast icon to select your Chromecast. From a laptop, use Chrome and click the three-dot menu, then choose Cast to stream a tab or desktop. Enable HDMI-CC on the Samsung TV under Settings to let the TV remote control volume and power for convenience. To end casting, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting or disconnect from the device. Mirror your screen from Android when needed or stream individual apps for best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.